Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter in Minecraft. Start by collecting milk from cows with a bucket, then craft or improvise a churn to separate cream and agitate it until butter forms. Keep your butter in a sealed container to prevent spoilage and label it for easy access. Use butter in cooking recipes, trading, or decorative builds to add realism and utility to your Minecraft kitchen. Gathering supplies is simple and satisfying, and it sets you up for smooth butter production. First, equip an empty bucket so you can milk cows quickly without wasting time. Find a fenced area or pasture with 2 or more cows to ensure a steady milk supply, and carry a chest to store milk, butter, and tools. Having everything nearby keeps your workflow efficient and your farm organized while you craft. The churning process is hands-on and oddly meditative, and it turns milk into delicious butter for your Minecraft recipes. Pour milk into your churn, or use a mod that simulates cream separation, then agitate by interacting repeatedly until butter forms. Scoop the butter out carefully with an appropriate tool and transfer it to a container for storage. With practice, you can churn multiple batches quickly to supply your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.